Gregor Johann Mendel done one experiment by crossing two pea plants. He considered only one character, that is height. Tall, he crossed one plant with a little tall character and he crossed with one dwarf plant. Okay, let's see the cross how it is. I will draw and show you. So he crossed one pea plant which is pure tall. So I am taking capital T, it is tall. And it is crossing with pure dwarf plant. Okay, dwarf means short. So this homozygous, both alleles are same. Homozygous capital T crossing with homozygous dwarf plant. So the one gamete capital T. So we will circle it when to show the gametes. We will circle that letter. Okay. So one T is coming from this plant and one T is coming from this plant. This both are pea plants. Okay. These are pea plants. Crossing means what? Crossing means what is that cross pollination? He took the pollen grains from the one flower and it is transferred to the stigma of another flower. That he done. Okay, that is known as the cross pollination. So he took two plants. One is capital T, that is tall plant, and one is dwarf plant. Okay, then he took the pollen grains from this and transferred into the next plant. Okay, so first generation he got all like this, capital T, small t. Okay, so this all are, he observed that all were tall plants. Okay, so like normal human beings will think one or two will be small t, small plant, but it doesn't happen. All plants were tall plants. So he done once again. So this is known as the F1. He denoted like F1 generation. So once again I will say till here. So he took two plants, pea plants. One is tall characteristics which contain capital T, it is homozygous, and another one is dwarf plant, small t, and he done cross pollination. Okay, he took the pollen grains from one plant, given and just kept in the stigma of another plant, and the generation he got, it is all tall plants. All plants were tall. So he done one more time cross pollination. Okay, then what he done, he took same this plant, he done cross pollination. So he done TT into cross pollination, same plants. So this we can represent by using Punnett square. Okay, so that I will show you. So F1 generation he got all TT tall plants. Okay, so he again done cross pollination in that TT cross, this TT into TT. So how we will draw the Punnett square? Punnett square, P-U-N-E-T-T-E. Punnett square, how it is, just you draw. Okay, then this side we will write gametes, capital T. Okay, both side capital T, small t. One plant is this and another plant is this. So just draw it like this and draw it like this. You have to draw. Okay, so from this capital T, capital, first you should write capital letters, capital, then small t, then this one capital T and small t, and this what will be small t, small t. So this is the monohybrid cross. By using the technique, this is known as the Punnett board or checkerboard. We will call like this checkerboard. So after this, after doing this experiment, he got two observations. One is phenotypic and one is genotypic. Phenotype means, as I already told you, phenotype means physical characteristics of an organism. So phenotypic ratio is, you should write like this for the exam. If it is asking monohybrid cross, after drawing this checkerboard, Punnett square or checkerboard, you have to take it down and write. Punnett square, this phenotypic ratio means physical characters. So this will be tall. Just I am writing tall. This is also tall. This is tall because this capital T is dominant over this recessive T. So it is tall. This also is tall. This one will be what? Dwarf or short. So the phenotypic ratio will be 3:1. If you are looking physically, these three plants will be tall and one only will be the dwarf plant. Okay, but when we are writing genotypic ratio means what? Genetic ratio. So what is this? One pure plant, that is pure homozygous tall plant, is to two heterozygous tall plant. You can write one homozygous tall plant, two heterozygous plant is to one homozygous dwarf plant. Or simply you can write what? 1:2:1 ratio. Okay, so phenotypic ratio is 3:1 and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. So once again I will tell what is monohybrid cross. In this monohybrid we are considering only one character, that is what? Height. Okay, so only one character, height, tall and dwarf. So again, first of all we done till F1 generation, 2 at T crossing T, then we are getting like this F1 capital T small t. Again we are doing cross pollination. So this we are representing it by checkerboard or Punnett square. Okay, so this is the gamete, one gamete. We will circle it like this. We will represent it like that. Okay, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Then from here one T will come, from here one T will come. Then capital T, capital letters always should be first. Okay, then small t, then capital T, small t, tall, and small t, dwarf. So the phenotypic physical characteristic ratio, phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. One homozygous tall plant, two heterozygous tall plant. Okay, tall plant and one homozygous dwarf plant. I hope this is clear to you.